Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Rush or stage of excitement. Treatment. Amyl nitrate is the treatment. Chronic addiction. Addiction of cocaine can result in cocainism, cocainophagia, cocainomania. There can be blackish discoloration of teeth and the tongue. Painless perforation of nasal septum is seen. There is malignant symptoms, also called as cocaine bug formication. These malignant symptoms will result in tactile hallucinations. Bugs, insects, and sand particles may be crawling beneath the skin, leading to scratching, and thus you can see multiple scratch marks present. Bruxism is grinding of teeth. Medico legal importance.
thank you and thank you for watching.